Hello everyone, welcome back to Niecy's Customs. Glad you're here. Today we're going to take a PNG file and change it into a SVG file. But before we begin, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos, so you can be a part of the happy family. After this video right here, I have some exciting news, so please stay tuned. As you can see, I already have my image that I got from Google. It's a PNG file, and I'm going to change it into an SVG file. So what we're going to do, I select trace area. We're going to come over here, and we're going to trace the little baby yellow. We're going to bring it down some because we want to get every little thing. Okay, let me come down a little bit more. Okay. Okay, since we got that, let me do it a little bit more. That's too much. Okay, like that. We're going to go ahead and hit trace. Okay, and we're going to move this image. Let me hide that. Move this image over here. Bring that over there. We're going to not minimize it, but we're going to make it smaller because we're going to go back and forth. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and fill in the color with black. See that? That looks good. Okay, once we do that, we are going to, right click and we're going to hit release compound path. Once we do that, it's going to make the whole thing solid black. Okay, then we're going to move this circle. We're going to move the outline, and we're going to just going to make this head right here. Well, first we're going to zoom in. We're going to get the eyes first. We're going to make that white. Okay. Do the other one. Okay. Then before we go any further, we're going to go and click the head part. Get the color. We're going to get I don't know what that is, but we're going to pick up the color. We're going to click here on your head, and we're going to grab that color from over there, and we're going to make it the green. Then the ear right here, we're going to make that make that pink. Let me go ahead and make that pink. Let me change this color also, like that. Then we're going to come over here and get the eyebrows. We're going to just change the outline of it to black. outline to black because it's already just the outline. Then we're going to come over here and let me get a little closer. And we're going to change that to that color gray. So you go over here and get the color dopper or whatever that is. And we're going to change it to that gray. Oh, no, wrong thing. Go back. I'm trying to think that's it right there. Yep, that's it. Change that to the gray. And guys, the things that I know how to do, it's trial and error. I had to learn myself. I had to teach myself how to do these things. So we're going to get the little nose. And we're going to just change the outline to black. And the little mouth, we're going to change the outline to black. Okay. We're going to zoom out like that. Then his little coat. Okay. And that right there, just the outline to black. And see, by you doing this right here, you can change the coat whatever color you want to change. Black. Okay. Then we're going to come up here on the sleeve and we're going to change that. Okay. Come over here, do the same thing. And I think that's a different color. So here we go right there. And it's easy. I'm telling y'all, when I say this right here is easy, I had to learn myself. I had to teach myself how to do this. I mean, like I say, it was a lot of trial and error, but I did it. Okay. I hope I'm not going too fast for anybody. Change the little fingers. Oh, I got to go back and change the outline because it's red. Change the outline. Oh, that was something I was working on earlier. Okay. Little baby Yoda. Okay. Let me see something here. There you go. Okay. Once you got that, let me get his eyes again because I forgot to change the outline to white. Oh. Okay. Change it to white. And make sure these little hearts you can delete. Basically, you can get some pictures off of Google or anyway and change it yourself. How you want to get a picture and use like, Taryn, I wish that was a different color, or I can change this to a different color. You can do it, but you make sure that it's a PNG file. Okay. Oh, I got a finger. I got to change the outline. What is this? I can change that. Oh, outline. Okay. And I know everybody wondering like why she got the ears. The ears. I'm gonna show you what I did with the ears. Okay. I go back to select trace. And I just trace the ears. Okay. A little bit more. Okay. I just hit trace. Move it up here. And I mean to erase my image. Hold up. Move that out the way. Okay. Let me change that to black. Let me see what I'm working with here. Go ahead and do that. Release. Move that out the way. Delete all this. Oh, some more. Delete all that. Change this. And you're going to move it. Hold up. right over here. Let me look at my picture again. Okay. I need to come up some. I got to adjust that. But you just bring your background in the back. I got to adjust this a little bit. Make it bigger. Okay. And let me get his eyes. Let me change that. I gotta change the outline to black. And there you go. I took just a picture off Amazon, off Google, a PNG file, and I changed it into an SVG file. Simple. I'm gonna do another one and see how the heart is. The heart is right here. You can put whatever you want right here. Whatever you want right here. You can put it right there. Anything in the background, you can put in the background. You can change the background picture. You can change his coat a different color. You can change him a different color. It's easy. If y'all have any questions, please leave a comment in the comment section and I will answer you the best of my abilities. But this is my exciting news that I want everybody to know, that I hit over 500 subscribers. Yeah, me. Over 500 subscribers. And I'm going to do my first giveaway. My first giveaway for hitting 500 subscribers. And what I'm going to be giving away is Cosmos ink. That is the best ink ever. And it's hard to come by sometime, but that's what I'm going to be giving away. I'll be giving away 4 bottles of the Cosmos ink. And I'm going to give away a Visa gift card that goes with it. Only thing you have to do is subscribe, like, and comment. Make a comment on this video. That's all you have to do to enter to win the Cosmos ink. I have everything in the description box, what you have to do and how it's going to be, how I select my winner. Okay, this is it. I hope y'all enjoy this. I hope y'all learned a lot on what I showed y'all, how to change, how to get a PNG file and change it to an SVG file. And I will be talking to you soon. Remember, this is my first giveaway, so make sure you like, comment, and share, and subscribe, and tell people to come on over and be a part of our family. God bless you. God loves you, and I love you too. Bye.